Hello! In this video I will be unboxing the PIXMA G600 model. I will show the following in this video and you can find the product overview by touching the right up corner of the screen. Let me start with the differences between the two models. In different regions, these models have different names. G500 is a printer and G600 is a multifunctional print, copy and scan device. In my video I'm using the European models. For more videos on this model, feel free to subscribe or find more links in the description below. Let me start with the box information. In the next part you can find what is in the box after the unboxing. And to see the full unboxing, just continue watching this video. Before unboxing, let me share the information about the product dimensions. And during the next couple of minutes I will unbox the product and share some additional information. And that would be all in this video. There will be more useful videos about this model. I will set up the device step by step, connect it to the Wi-Fi network, I will show the Canon apps and much more. Do not forget to like, comment, ask questions, or subscribe, turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future uploads and I can grow my channel. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.